Hello, grade 4 scientists. This is Ma'am Aura. Welcome to our science class today. Have you ever wondered why we use heat in our daily lives? From cooking our food, to heating our homes, to generating electricity, heat plays an important role in our everyday lives. Today, we are going to explore the uses of heat, how heat helps us in cooking, keeping us warm, producing energy, and even in industries. One of the most common changes caused by heat is the change in the state of matter. Heat can transform solid into liquid through melting and liquid into gas through vaporization. Conversely, when heat is removed, gases can condense into liquids and liquids can freeze into solids. Let's dive into some everyday applications of the changes in state. This process is important in cooking, food preservation, and climate. First, consider cooking. When we cook, we're often using heat to change the state of ingredients, melting batter or boiling water. These transformations are essential to the cooking process and can affect texture and taste. Next, think about food preservation. Freezing slows down the activity of microorganisms, preserving foods from longer periods. Understanding how state changes can help us maintain food quality and safety is crucial. And finally, climate is deeply affected by these changes. Evaporation and condensation play significant roles in weather patterns, influencing precipitation and temperature changes. All these examples show how pivotal state changes are in both our daily lives and the greater environment. Another effect of heat is the change in temperature. When heat is added to a substance, its temperature generally increases. This occurs because the substance absorbs heat energy. Keep in mind that adding heat raises temperature due to energy absorption. Conversely, when heat is removed from a substance, its temperature generally decreases. Why? As the source of heat is removed, the substance releases energy to the environment, decreasing its temperature. When a substance is heated, it also affects its size. When a substance is heated, it generally expands, increasing in size. Different materials expand at different temperatures. Think about how metal railways expand on hot summer days, which is why there are gaps to prevent warping. On the other hand, when a substance is cooled, it generally contracts or decreases in size. This behavior is crucial in many practical applications, from engineering to everyday use. Imagine the precision needed in designing bridges or airplane wings, where temperature changes can cause significant size variations. Heat can initiate or accelerate chemical reactions. In many cases, heating substances provide the activation energy required for chemical reaction to occur. This is fundamental in processes like cooking, baking, and combustion, or the burning of fuel for energy. We have learned that heat can cause changes on the materials around us. It can melt solid, boil liquids, and even make some objects expand. Remember, observing these changes help us understand the world better and see how heat affects our daily lives, from cooking our food and to keeping us warm. Great job, grade 4 scientists! You've learned a lot about heat today. For your task, predict what happens when you leave butter, ice, or water under the sun. Write your answer on your science notebook. That is all for today's science adventure. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and remember, science is everywhere around us.